My tent crane has been working just fine for years now, but we're upgrading to a heavier tent, and I don't think this thing can handle the weight. It's going to get off balance and fall over on me. With two tents, I'm duplicating the extra weight. Of course, this is a lot heavier than what the new tent will be, but it gives me an idea that this won't cut it. There's just not enough weight on the back to keep it from tipping over, and that's a problem. I've been thinking about this for a couple of weeks now, and one option is to put a counterweight on the backside to keep the back down and keep it from tipping over, but I got a better idea. This is what I came up with. I also added an extender to the ram to get a little bit more height out of the crane. And all it is a piece of pipe, 2 holes drilled in it for 2 bolts. Easy fix. And if I need to, I can make it even longer. Just like that, problem solved. Well, that worked awesome. And if you want to see what's in the box, well, that's a video that's coming later.